What's up, foodies? Today we're gonna make a lemon berry cheesecake overnight oats. It's a quick make-ahead breakfast that's ready to grab and enjoy in the morning. It has a bright, tangy fruit topping and a creamy base. It's a refreshing way to start the day without any hassle. So let's get into it. In a bowl or jar, combine half a cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, half a cup of milk, 1/3 a cup of yogurt, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of cottage cheese or cream cheese. Stir until everything is evenly mixed, cover, and refrigerate overnight or for at least 6 to 8 hours. If you're enjoying this recipe, you're going to love my new cookbook, The FOOD-DEE Odyssey, Totally Greek. This book is packed with simple, authentic, original recipes to help you create amazing Greek dishes at home. You can grab your copy in the description below. Now let's make the berry topping. Add 2 cups of mixed frozen berries or fresh berries to a pot, then add in 1 tablespoon of honey, the zest of 1 lemon, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of salt. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the berries soften and the mixture thickens. This takes about 5 to 8 minutes. Let it cool to room temperature and then refrigerate until it's needed. In the morning, give the oats a quick stir to refresh the texture, then spoon in the chilled lemon berry topping over the oats, then add in some fresh raspberries on top if you like, and serve. You could also add a little bit of whipped cream. And there you have it, a quick, easy, delicious breakfast to make to fuel your day. Let me know what your favorite overnight oats are. I'd love to know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Until next time, FOOD-DEE out.